Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have a disc that is stuck in your Xbox Series X by manually ejecting it. So if your disc is stuck in here, you want to go ahead and get a paper clip, and then there will be a small hole on the bottom of the base here that we can go ahead and press in, and it will eject that disc manually here. And you can see how small of a hole this is, and you want to place the paper clip in there, and it actually goes in quite deep. So this little piece I have right now for my phone, getting a SIM card out will not work because it simply doesn't go in far enough to press in to eject the disc. So you definitely need a paper clip. But all you have to do is press this in, and then you're going to get a little bit of a resistance, and then your disc will pop out. You're going to be pressing this in, and the disc will come out just a little bit. You just have to grab it and then pull it out. Then remove this and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.